Today in the soybeans market, they did fall. I mean, following outside market pressure, there's been just a big meltdown, and it's carried over into the grain market. I think there's real concerns that the economic slowdown would embolden China to not honor their Phase 1 agreement. That's making it so difficult. While the market opened down about 15 cents, it stayed there most of the day and then slipped further about 23 or 24 cents. That tells me that a lot of the traders are kind of giving up on it and everything, and getting this low to the 8.31 mark makes me wonder if soybeans is going to make it down to $8. That's such a surprise at this time. Now, corn was also lower. There's just no support in sight right now. The energy market collapse is really sitting on grains, and until there is the liquidation stops, I think that it will be difficult to find anything positive right now, and other news just isn't there to keep these markets higher. So with the corn down about 10 cents, it did come up a little bit during the day, but I see this continue to sink unless things start to slow down. Any kind of positive news will definitely change the complexion of what these grains are going to be looking like. Now, wheat was also down. It was below that $5 benchmark support, and managed funds still remain short of all the grains, actually, and there's like no reason really to cover it right now. But there is some positive things about wheat that might be helping it a little bit. At some point, the low oil prices as well as the lower global supplies really should pick these markets up, and I think that that's why we saw a little bit of a bounce, and the market was only down about a nickel. So we're kind of teetering around that $5 market. If it starts to slip below, we know that the $5 is going to become resistance as opposed to a support number. But if at any time this slows down, we could get a rebound. It's definitely not happening today, but in the grains, it could happen very quickly. So it's something to be watching for as we go forward. But wild swings are definitely in our future.